Shoveling snow is a tiring task and one that makes you break a sweat, despite the freezing working conditions. An electric snow shovel not only alleviates the unnecessary stress on your body but also makes the task of shoveling snow much more efficient. 1. Greenworks 12-inch electric snow shovel. The corded Greenworks electric snow shovel is easy and comfortable to handle. It has enough weight, however, to clear down to the pavement with only one pass. Heavy snow is no problem either. When testing, there was no noticeable power drop when it came into contact with heavier or packed snow. In deeper snow, the Greenworks snow shovel struggles a bit. It clears okay, but it needs multiple passes held off the ground to do it. The shovel's mouth is not very tall, so if the snow is taller than that, it gets clogged. All in all, this is one of the higher quality corded electric shovels, and would be great for any homeowner who decides they need one. 2. Snow Joe Ionmax Cordless Snow Shovel Bundle. The Snow Joe SS13 snow shovel has a 24 volts cordless battery, so users can remove snow with no attached cords. This shovel will clear a 13-inch path in up to 6 inches of snow and toss it up to 20 feet away. The kit includes a battery, charger, snow scraper blade, and snow shovel cover. Considering the comparatively low price tag, this unit is hard to beat. It feels light and balances well in the hand. Both grips are positioned for easy lifting, and the shovel's overall performance is impressive. The battery lasts for up to 1 hour and 10 minutes on a single charge. If more runtime is needed, consider buying a secondary battery. The only thing we didn't love about this electric snow shovel was the setup. It's a little awkward connecting the shafts and inserting the bolts. This is definitely not a deal breaker, but be aware that it will likely take a few minutes to get everything snug. If shoppers want a high-performing electric snow shovel at a great price, we believe this is the best value out there. It's affordable, well-built, and it can shovel up to 6 inches of snow with ease. 3. Ego Multi-Head Snow Shovel Kit. The Ego Power Plus 56-volt 12-inch cordless electric snowblower is our best overall pick because its universal power head can be used with the entire suite of Ego Power Plus tool attachments, and it also promises an efficient clean of an entire 4-car driveway in just minutes. The multi-purpose power head on this tool is powered by a 56-volt battery and can also be used to power the brand's edge trimmer attachment, cultivator, pole saw, and more. This electric snow shovel has a push drive and a variable speed trigger with a 2-speed switch, so you can find the setting that's best for your snow plowing needs. This shovel also has a wide snow clearance of 12 inches, and it can easily tackle up to 6 inches of snow on a 4-car driveway with one battery charge. The louver adjustable knob also ensures that you can direct snow exactly where you want it to go in your yard. The throwing distance is also quite impressive on this shovel at up to 25 feet. 4. Super Handy Cordless Snow Thrower. A lightweight power shovel is a great option not only for its usability but also for storage. This model from Super Handy packs a punch in a small frame. Although it has a smaller coverage area, 10 inches wide by 5 inches deep, this snow shovel can throw up to 300 pounds of snow per minute at up to 25 feet away. It weighs about 11 pounds, making it the perfect tool to quickly pull out after the weather clears. Plus, it has an adjustable pole that can telescope between 46 and 54 inches tall. The pole also splits into 2 parts, so you can easily store this snow shovel in a crawl space or small closet. 5. Earthwise Corded Electric Snow Shovel. If you want the most clearing power possible in an electric snow shovel, Earthwise is your brand. The corded SN70016 can carve a 16-inch wide path through snow up to 8 inches high, which is significantly more than what you can expect from other brands. It's also significantly more powerful, moving up to 430 pounds of snow per minute. For reference, most of our other picks move around 300 pounds per minute. As a result, it can handle deeper, slushier snow than most electric snow shovels. It also has a longer throwing distance than most corded or cordless electric snow shovels out there. It's pretty heavy, weighing in at 16 pounds, but like other heavy models, it has a pair of wheels so you can push it most of the time. In short, it offers the best snow removal capability of any machine this side of a snowblower.